Hi, my name is Jasmine Jowers. Um, I was an education major. I did a bachelor's in early childhood education and my master's in curriculum and instruction. And I'm currently in a doctoral program for educational leadership. Um, I tutored at Sylvan Learning Center for 2 years, and I had all types of students ranging from pre-K all the way to ACT prep. So I got to see a lot of different studies going on, and I got to help out a lot of different people. My favorite part of tutoring was being able to see somebody that came in and was struggling at something, and they may not have just taken one session, may have taken a couple sessions, but they ended up having a clear understanding by the end, and having that feeling of success and being able to feel their efficacy rise. It was just a great feeling.